Hey guys, this is Benjir again here. Today I am doing one of my clients' website, basic WordPress website, and I'm doing. I actually done with the menu, simple menu bar, but some of my friends they're asking to. They're having difficulties to connect the breadcrumbs and the categories to the menu bar by custom name. So I'm thinking to share this technique. Anyway, it's very simple. So here actually my regular what do you call that, my regular um, header is this one. Okay, where actually let's select it. Okay, so here what I did, this is my product. So this is my menu, home page, product page. In the product page I have subcategories: men's perfumes, women's perfumes, and body lotion. Under this subcategory I connect this category product with the URL and here and here, right? Okay, now why I did this, I could just add categories here from directly. You just see all the categories, and you cannot see I don't see the categories because I just need to, from C option, just select the categories. Okay, I think it's selected. All right, so it should be reflect here. It's not showing. Sorry, product categories, not categories, product categories, right? So in the product categories, right, so I have this. So if you want to display directly this product category under the product in the menu bar, you can do it. How? Let me show you. Let's minimize this. Minimize it. All right, so I'm going to add this directly, this 3 category in my menu, right? So let's make this subcategory this here, just drag it up here, right? So just save the menu and refresh the page here. I want to show it here. Okay, let me show it here, right? So now let me go to the product page. Let me refresh it. Okay, so here product page, if I go to here product page, I'll see all the product for women's perfume, right, according to the category that I have here, right, with the breadcrumbs, right? Okay, I'll show you guys how to add the breadcrumbs. Anyway, it's simple too, right? Okay, so now I want to have actually not the direct category name, rather I want to have my own customs category name, right? So how I can do that? Okay, here I can do this away. What I did here, you can just add, instead of having direct this menu, let's say just make here custom link. You see the option custom links. In the custom links, go to the website here. So let's say I want to have this one, so copy the link back to the URL here, paste the URL right here. Let's say perfume for girl, perfumes for girls, right? So add to the menu. So I got it menu, put it under sub menu of the product, save it, right, and go to the website, refresh it, and then go to the product, and you'll see perfume for the girls, right? So if you click that one, you'll see it is automatically connected, and at the same time you got the customs sub menu name, right? Okay, so this is the thing actually I wanted to share with you guys, because some of them having some of my friends are asking, they are having a hard time to have customs names for the categories or subcategories, right? Okay, now the breadcrumbs. For the breadcrumbs, actually is simple. For Elementor Pro, if you want to add the breadcrumbs, or if you want to modify the text or something, you can do here. Just go to the page, right? All pages. From the all pages, let's say I want to go to, there's a product page, right? Or let's say this one. Add the Omen's perfume. Add it with Elementor. Alright, so here you see in the Elementor Pro, if you want to add the breadcrumbs, you can just go to page setup. If you don't want to show the title, you can just disable the hide the title here. See, the title is hidden already. You can see the title, or you can put. So I just I want to show the title. That's okay for me. And then if you want to add the breadcrumbs here, you can just do it. You can just go to here, let's say go to the add Elementor and just add anything here, add any container, and then go to the add element, go to the go to the WooCommerce elements and get the product breadcrumbs here, WooCommerce breadcrumbs. There we go. All right, so there you have the breadcrumb. Now if you want to change the text here, just edit here, right? Click here, go to the edit breadcrumbs, right? So you have start here, right? So here color, you can add the color, whatever color you want. Let's say I want this one, something like this, right? Here. Or link text, you want to link text, let's black, right? So this is the way you can just modify your what do you call that, your breadcrumbs, and you can add breadcrumbs, and you can hide your title, or you can keep the page title from the page setting. This is for Elementor Pro. Okay, so that's all for today, guys, that I wanted to share with you. Have a good day. Bye bye.